Let's go get your toy from Santa. Okay. We're going to Richie Baktu today para kuhanin yung gift ni Santa. Let's go. So, malapit na tayo sa bahay ni Madam Damin.
Merry
Christmas. Ang ganda naman nun, Mami, oh.
Galing. Ito.
Wow. Pati bear.
Nice.
Filipino may-ari nun, for sure.
Pamilya nakatulog siguro. Ginagaya ka ng halos lahat.
Ganda.
Baka ito bahay nito.
Ito, I think we're here.
26.
Yeah, 26. Ito tayo. I think we're here, but we're going to check first.
Ay! Hello po! Ay, thank you!
Hi! Kasi po,
Ay,
Merry, Merry.
kanina ng ube cheese.
Uy, kami. Ay, wala akong dalang phone.
Ito na lang. I-ano niya to?
Salamat. Maraming salamat.
Okay po.
Thank you. Dapat doon ka. Doon ka. Thank you, Mrs. Stella. May ilaw pa. Sa loob may ilaw pa. Daan tayo dito. Tingnan natin yung mga decoration ng neighbor natin. Maganda rin yung decoration dito sa kapitbahay natin. No? Ayan. May mga candy cane. Ganda. Not bad. Samantalang tayo. Look.
Nandun sa unahan.
Iyan o. Christmas lighting kami. Kahit paano. Alright, we're home. Hello, Santa. Say hi.
Dun, Kate. Dito ka din. Tabi kayo doon.
Pwede ba nang open yan na?
This is mine. Tingnan niyo kung ito is mine. It says 8A.
Huh? It says cake done.
Ito ka! Ay! Okay, okay. Ito. 8-year-old. Oh my God!
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Good.
Padurme.
Spider what?
Padurme. Look,
What's that?
Ay, ang galing! Toothbrush ka.
Oh, may toothbrush ka na. Alam ni Santa na ano, nasira na yung teeth mo. What's that, Kate?
Kurt, meron pa.
Wow. You like the color?
Ay, ang dami.
Pokemon.
Yan.
Panda.
Patingin?
Everybody was
Ang galing.
Lego?
Oo.
Looks expensive.
Oo nga, ang galing.
What about you, ate? What else do you have? I-open mo kaya yun? What about the paper bag? Wow!
Ang ganda.
Wow! Santa's so good.
Ay, ang ganda.
Ate, what's in it? Ito.
Old Navy. Ang galing.
What's that?
Oh, more.
Don't break the box because we're gonna wrap it.
Ilalagay natin sa pagpapasok. Ay,
What's that, ate? Lego?
Yeah.
Wow! Lego din, Mami, oh.
Nice.
May Lego din.
Where's the spoon?
What?
Yeah.
Where that one?
Pakita mo kay daddy sa kapatid.
Kurt, say thanks to Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Nice. Dami pa, ah.
Pajama.
What's that?
Pajama. Ang ganda. Ay, saan ang ganda? Ang dami.
Ang dami. What's that, Mommy?
Wow.
Wow!
Los Angeles.
Daming gift ni Santa. Jagger.
And
Oh, nice pants.
another one.
Ilan na yan? Last na yan, Kurt?
There's
One more?
Oh,
Wow.
May pamasko na si Kurt.
Oh.
I don't have this.
Yeah, I know. I remember.
and last but not least,
Oh, meron na siya nun, no?
last but not least,
Open it all.
Ay, ang galing mo.
Ito.
everything is Old Navy.
Grabe, oh. Yun yung pinakamagandang natanggap mo, ate.
Yeah.
Yang ano?
Siya kay ate to.
Yung painting Churvy. Kurt, mukhang maganda si Spider-Man, ah.
What is this?
Ah, you don't have
Shampoo.
shampoo?
What?
I-assemble mo na ba yan? O i-wrap pa ni Mami?
This is, wait, there's not a blanket?
That's lang.
Sakto, oh, Pokemon.
Pajama.
No.
Ate, what's that?
No, I don't know. Oh, wait,
Leggings?
wait.
Ate?
I think I can put my body inside the
Nice, ang daming binigay, ah.
Diba? Ayun yung ate.
Ang daming binigay.
Can I open this?
Ito ang laki.
Ito, ate, what's that? Shoulder bag?
Open this?
Asya kay mami to.
Book?
Can I open this?
Santa knows you love reading books.
Huwag niyo pa sa mas.
Patingin? Why do we say that?
Mamaya.
And the other one is common sayings. Nice.
What?
Nice.
Is that right?
Ano to, Kurt?
Oh,
You like it?
yeah.
Sure.
This is what I've been, wanting to buy.
Oh yeah?
Yan?
Santa knows what you want. This is the last, anak.
Kurt.
I have a soccer ball.
Maybe that's another book.
Ang galing ah.
Book? Oh, another pants?
Na, may picture mo. Pajama mo para sa ano? Di ba may PJ day kayo?
Yeah.
Galing ah. Ate, you have one last left. Huwag mo sirain yung mga box. Irarap namin ulit yan.
Ay, may ano?
Wow! Oh. Mag-toothbrush ka daw ng banibagong toothpaste.
I got
Oh.
this though. I got this.
Oh, nice.
It's an automatic one.
Ano yan? Shampoo
Battery.
siya na. Shampoo.
Ate, oh. Oh, meron ka ng pang ano. Ano yan? Panting ano yan? Conditioner?
Body wash.
May body wash ka pa.
Meron pa. Ito. Ano pa?
And
What's that?
a normal toothbrush.
Deodorant yata.
I got automatic
Deodorant
toothbrush.
din.
I think it gets normal toothbrush.
Good.
Ano pa, Kurt? May laman.
Meron pa pala sa'yo. Oh.
Kurt, may isa pa.
What's that? The last one.
Oh.
Oh! Tingin nga, Kurt.
Kurt, magka-partner.
Show it to me. Nice. Ito, ate. Dove, that's my soap.
Picture natin.
Picturean ko kayong lahat.
Dito, lagay.
It has wooden cars.
So, magkakat na ako ng video kasi mag-aayos na kami ng lahat ng kinalat namin ngayon. So guys, look at me. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Bye!